Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to delete price alert on Margex. If you're using Margex and want to manage your price alert, then you can easily do so by following these quick and simple steps. First of all, launch open the Margex application on your device and log in. From the home page of Margex, go ahead and tap on the Price Alert button at the top of the screen. Once you're inside the Price Alert section, you'll be able to see all of the alerts that you previously created. Simply go ahead and select an alert you'd like to delete by tapping on it. Now in the expanded info, tap on Delete in order to delete the selected alert. If you want to edit the alert, you can tap on Edit and make necessary changes. But if you want to delete your alert completely, tap on Delete and then you have successfully deleted one of your price alerts on Margex. That's how you easily delete a price alert on Margex you no longer need. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading tips and guides. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.